So we have this neat old freight elevator. I wonder what brand it is. It's a Reliance. And if you notice, it's a little below the floor. But I think I know a way to fix that. Yup. The inching works. Look at that. So anyway, let's demonstrate the inching. Just inch it down. Very nice. All right, that's enough of that though. That's the old call button right there. Oh. And look, used to be manual because you can see right there is where the crank was. Cables, light. All right, now take it for a spin. Again, sorry for the shakes. I'm doing this one-handed. Jeez, this thing rides rough. Now you'll notice here that I'm holding the button because if I let go, watch what happens. It just stops. That's because this was a manual and it still uses its original controller. They literally just kind of tacked this on. So I don't know exactly how it works, but yeah, it's not like a full it's by no means a fully automatic elevator. Hard stop. All right. Watch out. Focus. All right. Now one last ride up. And this was just added on for shits and giggles or code compliance or whatever they felt like. All right, gate drops down a little. All right, and that is that. So we are in our Reliance motor room. Safety, that's the safety. It's gonna go back in. There's your motor, we'll see that in a second here. Dash pot. When he closes the gate, that'll go back. Yep. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed because I'm holding the flashlight. Loud as hell. I think he's inching it. Is that the worm in there? No, you can't really see it. Look at this big boy. Big boy. Big beefy motor too. Focus. Ooh. That's cool. Oh, look, over here. That's the old governor. We can demonstrate it. Oops, not fast enough. All right, let's see. See if it'll catch. That it did catch. Very loud, but it does work. I don't want to mess with that anymore. Anyway, look at the little oil reservoir. No, I can't get that open. It's too tight. Use oil. Oh, really? I thought we wanted to use orange juice. That is a big boy machine. Big, 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 big boy. Can we see the gear? A little bit. Woo! Oh, I think that's a brass gear. Were you inching it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I could tell. It's going.
You do that for me.
Will do. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Old plate. Style A. Anyway, all right. Here's your light back, and that'll be it for this part.